Hey y'all, I'm JustJaniece and welcome BIGGTY back to another video. Today we are making Italian turkey meatballs. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that and I'm going to tell you everything you need. And this is one of those good things I was mentioning in my other videos that you should go watch. Stuff that you can just keep in the freezer and pop out. And plus, your girl living by herself. We have to learn how to cook. And cooking is part of trial and error. Now I have made these before, but we're gonna try to correct my errors with this trial. You see what I did there? Okay. So you're gonna need ground turkey. I don't care what your lineage is, lean this, fat this, I don't care, do what you want. Or you can use ground beef, you can use impossible meat. I don't care. So you're gonna need some Parmesan. It's better if it's this grated kind. You see, I've used a lot of it. This is what I put in my Caesar salads. You're gonna need an egg. You're gonna need ground Italian meat. I found it at HEB and like next to like the breakfast sausages. You're gonna need some breadcrumbs. Okay, and for seasonings, I have some Tony's. Now, I will say, I prefer Slap Your Mama. If you don't know what Slap Your Mama is, it is the best seasoning blend you could ever find, honey, okay? Slap Your Mama, you can find it at HEB. I just don't have any. I should have got some earlier, but I didn't. You're gonna need Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and whoa there, and onion powder. So I personally don't like to put a ton of salt in my food. If you want to, you can, but this is still going to be heavily seasoned, okay? So first, wash your hands, don't be nasty.
So nasty.
Okay, so we have our bowl here, okay? We have our garlic powder. Doesn't matter what you put in first, just pick one and do it, okay? So when you're seasoning, especially when you're seasoning turkey meat, I always go heavily on turkey meat just because it just needs it. Like it, I don't know. Okay, so more than that. And I know you're like, that was already a lot of seasoning. You're trying to get all this meat to taste good. Because if you don't, you're gonna have like 4 or 5 meatballs that taste good, and you're gonna have one that tastes bland. Okay? Don't do that to yourself. So it's like, okay, you know that song, like rain down on me, like that. But the thing is, we're going to season more than once. So I want you to sing Rain Down on Me, the Kirk Franklin version, until you've covered the top of your meat, and then you're good. Rain down on me, never let it fall on me. I feel like Salt Bae. Okay, with actual salt though, don't do that to yourself. Your heart is gonna be very mad at you in a couple years. Enough. Okay, then we mix again. So we mixed it all in there, and I always like to say, I need to be able to see some seasoning through my meat or through my food. Like I want to see the specks of Italian seasoning in here, and then I know I have done a good job. And two, like you'll be able to smell it. Like you'll be able to smell your seasoning. Like it should smell good. So, like that. Put that in the trash. Okay. Rain down on me. Like that. Never let it fall on me. Okay, so the size is totally up to you. I kind of just take a clump in my hand and I roll it around. and then I'll throw it in a bowl so I can have somewhere to set them until I'm cooking. And like I said, you can do this with just turkey, or you can do it, you can do it with just turkey, like any meat that you want. Put anything that you want in there. Like, this recipe is totally adaptable. I got this recipe from my aunt. Let me put that in there before she watches this and be like, you stole my recipe, put it on the YouTube and didn't say anything. Aunt Gwen, I love you. My Aunt Gwen gave me this recipe, and she is literally such a queen. She doesn't make anything that's bad. So when she gave it to me and she told me what to do, I was like, this gonna be good. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna make a Capri salad to go with my tomatoes. The thing I like about those is when you take them, you freeze them, you put them in the air fryer or anything for just like a little bit, you heat them up, and they're really good. You just have to be careful not to overheat them because they're already like well done on the end of it. Just because they're so big, like it takes a while for it takes a little time for it to cook on the outside, but not a long time for it to cook on the inside. So, I have those, and, oh, I was saying though, I like them because I can eat them plain, like you can eat them with ketchup if that's your thing. I eat them with either tomato sauce or barbecue sauce, and they're really good. So like I said, this video is sponsored by my Aunt Gwen because it's her recipe. And this Capri salad is sponsored by somebody I saw on Instagram. Okay. I'm gonna plate it and then I'm gonna show y'all and I'm gonna do a taste. Okay, I'm gonna plate it and then I'm gonna show y'all and then I'm gonna do a taste test. Alright, y'all, so here's my plate.
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Okay, I'm gonna try the Capri salad. I've never had this before, but I've seen it a lot. And I think usually the way you're supposed to eat it is like with mint or something. I don't know. That's good. So I put Capri tomatoes, mozzarella, and balsamic vinegar. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm about to watch Oh, okay. You can see though, I'm eating on a salsa plate, and I'm looking at this and I'm like, wow, like this is so much food. Like, mind tricking yourself to be full. My favorite thing to do. Yeah, but I'm about to enjoy my dinner. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll be back for another one, alright? Alright, y'all, I'm about to enjoy this dinner right here. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join my little family, the friendship, the gang. I don't know what to call it. Like, is it a gang? Is it a friendship? Right now, it's more like a small rally or like a club. Anyway, we'll get there. But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe on this video. Check out and enjoy this delicious dinner I made. If you decide to try this, please let me know. Comment down below if you've ever made this or if you have any yummy recipes you want me to try. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Share this channel, join the gang, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at JustJaniece so we can be friends, okay? I will be back with more videos and delicious recipes. I am JustJaniece and I'm signing out. Bye, y'all.